Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Bitcoin is dumping right now, breaking 41k, pullback from 45 to 41k in a matter of seconds. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going in and you'll see this happen like right now. Bitcoin massive dump. Look at that candle on the daily. Now how fast? 41,700. We were at 45k. Massive drop, held the trend line. It's trying to hold the trend line. I thought it broke out too quickly because usually it breaks out on 16th. It should have been on the 19th of January. 70% of the move. I'm going to take a long here. I'm going to add to my position. So on OKX, I've got a $10,000 to $1 million trading account. This was 17k a few minutes ago from 10k. Now it's at 13k. But now I'm going to actually add more to my Bitcoin long. I'm going to add more to my Bitcoin long. Okay, amount. Let's do 50% of available. Only $700 left to trade. Add to my long at the current price. No, but I do now. It's continuously falling, but it's around here. Okay, it's still falling. I want to try and catch it where it enters. Why is it giving me the order price is much higher than what the current price is? Look at this fluctuation, it's crazy. The volume on Bitcoin is insane. There's so much panic buying, it's panic selling right now. So, okay, I'm just going to add at that position. So I'm adding into this Bitcoin long. Let's see if this trade executes. It executed, so this trade got bigger now on Bitcoin. So now I'm going to buy another 0.3 Bitcoin here after this big sell-off. It would have been better to get it at, so it's 15k buying. Let's see if that trade went through. I think it already went through. So I should be at 2.4 Bitcoin, 104,000. So I just bought more Bitcoin. The account's 555 now, 506. Let's see how it changes with the 506k. What else dropped a lot? So Bitcoin dropped 6%. I bought some of that. 57,000. I'm quite heavily deployed. Look at Uniswap, 13% drop on that sell-off. So alts are quite panicky. Everyone's quite panicky. 11% on Doge. MCRT 5%, FXS 13%, World Token 17%, huge drops. World Token is now quite down from when I bought it. That was a very depending on how quickly Bitcoin gets bought up here is very important. If Bitcoin gets bought up quick, there's stability in the markets. If Bitcoin sells off again and keeps dropping, then people will panic and it can cause a massive liquidation. But right now it's getting bought up. Quite interesting. It's holding the trend line. It's holding this bullish trend line. Let's see if the indicator bot said anything. Crypto Guru bot still blue buy, didn't switch to red. Bitcoin indicator bot sell. Look at this. First time had a sell for a while. It's interesting. I agree. I think this was a big sell-off. There's a lot of panic. We haven't seen a panic wick for a long time. But getting out now is Bitcoin gets bought up and then react. If it gets bought up here, the wick completely bought up and pushes on, this is a good sign. If we drop heavily here again, it wouldn't look too good. Major support area here is 1.4 trillion. I mean, it does need a cool down. But already this wick looks good. Let's see if it can pull all the way back, get bought up here. We need to see this sell-off get bought up. That's the most important thing. If you are fearful, or like if I was fearful of my positions and not believing that this run, the only thing that I'm still counting on is the volume is going up, the positives. Volume is going up, plus for going up. Stochastic is going up. Higher highs. First to second to third wave, largest impulse wave should have started. There's like many positives. Bitcoin indicator bot is going up. Bitcoin indicator, Crypto Guru bot says going up. Volume is going up. All of those kind of. Now, what are the bad things? We got rejected quite heavily at heavy resistance, which is to be expected. Everyone's going to be panicking on this ETF news. So it needs to be about watching this ETF news. Right now, this candle it's finishing the week. It's like right now being bought up that it's still even positive on the week. But look how it held the trend line perfectly on the... Look at that, how it held the trend line. But anyone that went long in the last few days just got nuked out. Look at that sell, look at that volume. In this last 4-hourly candle, there was 97,000 Bitcoin bought and sold. It's 10 times more than normal buying volume. 10 times more selling is happening right now. So this was actually, this here was a major support because that held on, bounced strongly off there. So that 40k, where was it? How low did we go? We went all the way down to 4,200. Wow. 40,200 bounced back to 42. That was actually a very strong support area. So that's our support line. 40,200. That's our true support line. Every other support line is kind of bullshit. Everything else got wiped through except this support line. It bounced heavily off there. So that's our true support. So going big longs, you want to put buy orders from there. That's where I would put buy orders now. That's my area of heavy support. So I would go long here. I would add positions here. So this is where it better... I mean, I bought some Bitcoin now because I want to buy the dips on Bitcoin during a bull market on pullbacks. Altcoins just got hammered. Look at these altcoins. 15% on IOTA. WorldCoin. I'm going to buy more WorldCoin over on OKX, my 10k to whatever challenge. So I added more to Bitcoin here on that position. So how much in this account? This account was 17k, 10k to 17k, now pull back to 15k. I've got too much, 2,400. I've still got 12,000 in USD. How much do I have to trade? 443 for perpetuals. What's my buying power? Max buy 8,400. So right now this account is quite heavily available, 786. So I could buy more WorldCoin. Okay, this account I'll leave. It's already quite leveraged into Bitcoin right now. And I added more to the position. You can learn much more in depth about all of this under the video. Go down below. Take the exchange is all there. 2, the course where you learn deep, 12 hours course about this. 3, join the Telegram. There's 9,000 traders. Let's see what the traders are all saying, all the gurus. Fuck you, Kramer. Damn right. Jim Cramer, because Jim Cramer said he was bullish on Bitcoin and they're dumped. GMT got fucked. Everything nuked. So everyone's chatting about it. Someone long got destroyed. His trades got nuked. Minus 151. Oh, people got nuked on their trade. Oh shit. So this whole report is released, a rare view that the SEC will reject all Bitcoin spot ETFs in January, and that's why people are panicking. This guy long on Adam's still pumping. Was able to add 100k more to my Bitcoin long. He added to his position here. This guy's a pro trader. Nice. People are making money adding to their positions. I added to my positions, right? So on Bybit, I bought more Bitcoin. My Bitcoin trade bouncing back. It's holding around 42. You can pull back. 7% drop is quite big. Someone dumped heaps. I'm too heavily exposed out of USDT right now. Only 10% in USDT. I should bring it to 30% in USDT. I might adjust. Okay, everyone. All the links down below. The links to, and follow on Twitter. I post a lot on Twitter. The Laws of Money course has got like 8 days. January 10th it launches. So check out that. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.